over £570,000. So give yourselves a big round of applause for that. That is a whopper.
I'm not ready.
I need a wee. Charlotte, tight turns here, mate.
I'm not going to enjoy that.
Adios, amigos. Ciao, ciao. Arrivederci.
Bye.
Good luck, guys. Enjoy.
Oh, my Strava.
They're going the wrong way. Pull your top down on the right. That's on the left, mate. Don't fall in, but that will get loads of views if you fell in. What if you hit a root and bounced off and went in the water? Hey, look at that, mate.
I think it was you behind me at first.
Show me your downhill skills. Oh. Start of another climb, I think.
No.
I can smell bacon rolls. You having fun? Despite the weather? Oh, sure.
No. It's because people
you go
whiz by
faster.
me, and then this water comes all over me.
You alright, Charlotte?
Not really. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. You alright, Char?
Yeah, mate. I got mud everywhere. What's happening?
Woo! Alright, Char?
Good, how are you?
We're 77k in, so do a little summary.
20 miles left.
No, 20k.
20k left, it's different.
Right up.
So keep going.
Alright, Charlotte.
Don't stop.
Whatever.
Gotta get right out of here.
Just.
Well done, Char. See that, man. Woo. Got my fan club. Woo. Well done, Charlemagne. Oh, where's Jodie? Photographer.
Jump off your bikes, please.
Oh, yes, please.
Behind you is the bar.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you very
And
much.
there's a very handy bike back over there in the corner.
Thank you, mate. Cheers.
Enjoy.
I was told I couldn't listen to the